Hello, today we will guide you through how to download and install VSCode. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can get Visual Studio Code downloaded and installed on your Windows computer without any confusion. VSCode is a popular code editor used for programming, editing files, and working on many different types of projects. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. Once the Google homepage loads, click into the search bar and type VSCode, then run the search. From the search results, look for the official Visual Studio Code website and click on Visual Studio Code. It's important to choose the official site so you download the correct and safe installer. This will take you to the main VS Code download page. Once you're on the Visual Studio Code website, find the button labeled Download for Windows and click it. This starts the download of the installer file for your computer. Depending on your browser and internet speed, the download may begin immediately or take a few moments. If you don't see anything happening right away, check your browser's downloads area, usually near the top right of the window or at the bottom of the screen. After the installer has finished downloading, open the downloaded installer file. This launches the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. If Windows asks for permission to allow the app to make changes to your device, go ahead and approve it so the installation can continue. When the installer opens, click on Install and then follow the on-screen procedure. The setup process is usually very straightforward. Just continue through the installer windows as prompted until the installation is complete. During this part, take a moment to read each screen so you understand the options being presented, but in most cases the default settings will work well for a standard installation. Once installation finishes, Visual Studio Code should be ready to use. You can launch it right away from the installer if that option appears, or open it later from your Start menu or desktop shortcut, depending on your setup. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed VSCode on Windows. If you're following along for the first time, moving slowly through each screen can help make the process smooth and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide made the setup process easy to follow.